I'm in complete shock here, guys. This is really scary. Man, I've been editing videos for over 20 years and I've never, ever seen anything quite like this. I've been playing with a lot of AI tools lately. There's a lot of really cool AI background removers, image generators. There's even AIs that'll generate scripts and do voiceovers. But guys, I just found this really cool all-in-one AI that basically you feed it a couple of lines and it creates the entire video for you from nothing. And it fills in the facts and just generates stories, and it's really, really scary stuff. You know, this is literally what I typed into it. I said, make me a video explaining what would happen if you walked on the sun unprotected, and then explain how to protect yourself. And 5 minutes later, I had a full HD video spit out to me with a full script and everything. That's all I did. I typed in 2 lines. Guys, you know, this is going to change video editing forever. It's quite scary. For me to have built the video that this thing spit out would have taken me a week to source all the stock footage and to write the script and to do all that work and the editing and cutting and timing and add the music. It would have taken me at least a week, okay? This spit it out in 5 minutes. So this is very scary stuff. I wanted to come out and make this video before the shock wore off because it's really surprising stuff. Guys, watch this video, judge it for yourself, see how good you think it is. I think it's amazing for just a couple of lines. What it spit out was pretty cool. So watch this video, and at the end of the video, I'm going to tell you where you can do this.
Have you ever wondered what would happen if you walked on the sun with no protection? It's a fiery thought, isn't it? The sun, a blazing ball of gas, is a staggering 93 million miles away from our little blue planet. Yet its heat and light are so powerful they sustain life on Earth. But what if you, yes you, decided to take a stroll on this incandescent celestial body? Let's unravel this burning question. First, let's get one thing straight. Walking on the sun would be lethal, and here's why. The sun's surface, or photosphere, reaches temperatures of about 10,000 degrees Fahrenheit. That's hot enough to incinerate just about anything in an instant, including you. The sun's gravity is also about 28 times that of Earth, so even if you could withstand the heat, you'd be crushed by the intense gravitational pull. Furthermore, the sun's atmosphere, or corona, is even hotter, reaching temperatures of millions of degrees. This superheated plasma emits powerful radiation in the form of ultraviolet light and X-rays, which would be fatal to humans without proper protection. So, walking on the sun is a no-go, but what if theoretically we could find a way to protect ourselves? We'd need some next-level technology for that. Firstly, we'd need a suit capable of withstanding the sun's extreme temperatures and radiation. This suit would have to be made of some yet undiscovered material, able to resist both the intense heat and the strong gravitational pull. It would also need built-in cooling systems to maintain a livable temperature inside. Secondly, we'd need a way to safely travel to and from the sun. This would require a spacecraft capable of withstanding the same harsh conditions as the suit, plus the journey through the solar wind, a stream of charged particles ejected from the sun at incredibly high speeds. In conclusion, while walking on the sun remains a fascinating thought, it's currently impossible due to the sun's extreme heat, intense gravity, and powerful radiation. However, who knows what scientific advancements the future may hold? Perhaps one day a stroll on the sun won't be such a fiery proposition. Until then, let's keep our sun-walking adventures to our imaginations, shall we?
So guys, that's pretty crazy, right? I mean, if you could just do that in a couple minutes, imagine what you could really do if you plugged in more details. Guys, if you like content like this, if you want to see more stuff like this, subscribe to the channel. Watch whatever YouTube tells you to watch up here. And until next time, guys, take care.